Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change language on your Sony ZV-1. And to do this we'll need to open up the menu, so here's a button for it, click on it, on your screen menu should appear, and now we can navigate it with the wheel right here. So move to the tool right here, it's the setup 1 settings, now go down. Then we need to move to the right, to the right, to the right, and here's a first option, which is language. So select it, and now choose a different language for your camera. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.